In this video, I will show you how to pick Shopify banner in theme Dawn. Let's get started. As you can see, I have here the Dawn theme and then from there, what you can do is you can head over and click on this customize button right here. Just click on that customize button, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be redirected to the Shopify editor itself. So this is what your homepage will look like, and in here you have a lot of banners available. So for example, you have this image banner right here. This is what it looks like. When you click on that, you can put in here a new image that you want to use. So for example, just click on this select image, and then from in there, you should be able to add in here an image that you want. So you can also put in here an store library if you have, or you can also upload in here an image that you want integrated for this one. So for example, let's head over and add another file that we want to use. So for example, I want to use this blue and white blank GIF. So open that. And then as you can see, it will be uploaded right here. So once it's been uploading, you can just click on this check mark right here and then click on done. And then from in there, as you can see, it's been replaced right here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And just following this image banner right here, you can adjust opacity, the banner height. So let's put this on the small size. As you can see, it's now small. So you can also get the desktop alignment and edit the color scheme right here or change that as well as the animations for that. So for example, let's put in here a zoom in scroll, and then when you scroll right here, this will actually zoom in for you. They also put in here the mobile layout. You can make it on a slider or left or right, whatever you want. But after you've done that, as you can see, we have now fixed the image banner that we have. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.